How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign out your YouTube account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you logged into your YouTube account or your Google account on someone else's phone, such as let's say your friends or your siblings, when you went back home you forgot to log out of your account, so now you would like to remove your account even if you don't have access to those devices. Well, it's very simple. On your primary device, open up YouTube. Now you have to understand that your YouTube account is basically just nothing but your Google account, so you have to remove your Google account from all these devices. We can do this by tapping the YouTube icon from the bottom right, or it could be sometimes at the top right. Here you'll find the option called Google account, which also sometimes means to manage your Google account. When you tap on this, it will take us to the Google account management page. From here on, what we have to do is we have to simply go to this option over here known as security, and when we come to the security tab over here, you should be able to see all the details. And if you scroll down here a little bit further below, you'll find your devices, and you'll be able to see a list of devices where your YouTube aka your Google account is currently logged in. So here you can tap on the manage all devices option, and when you tap on the manage all devices option over here, you should be able to see a list of devices where your Google account or YouTube account is logged in. So select a certain device that you don't recognize, or maybe you do recognize and you would like to remove it. You can just tap on it, tap on sign out, tap on the sign out option. Now just in case you want to be sure, let's say your account is getting compromised, in that case you can also try changing your password. So I hope this video helps you as to how you can sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.